Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm sorry I haven't put up videos in some months because I've been very busy trying to work on some new projects, most especially a lot of wedding jobs I've had, and there were other things I was also working on, so I've not been able to put out videos. But I just want to drop this very quick video to help somebody out there that may have this challenge. So I want to give you a quick fix how you can turn an image you edited as black and white, how you can turn it to colored image in 2 seconds. So now this image, when I was editing it in Capture One, all right, I decided to edit as black and white, and send it to Photoshop to be edited. So in Photoshop, I continued the image as a black and white image. So this was the before and this was after. All right, so but after sending it to the client requested that she wants it as colored. But now I actually exported a black and white version from Photoshop, from Capture One to Photoshop. So how do I turn the already finished image into a colored version? So here's what I did. So I had to come back and get a colored version and then send both of them to Photoshop. So I'm going to open this in Photoshop right now. I'm going to open this, and then this is the colored version in Photoshop, so you can see. So now how to turn, this is the colored unedited version, and then this is the Photoshop version that I already edited. You can see all the layers. All right, this is before and after. So now how to turn this to color real quick is to take this, drag and drop on this image. Of course, I edited that image and I resized it, so I'm going to bring it to become exactly the same size as I'm going to make sure it fits exactly. Okay, let's see. All right, so let me check. So this is before, after. Before, there's still a slight difference. So let's see, before and after. Let me see where that's coming from. Wait, let me see. It's supposed to snap to the edge. All right, I don't know. Okay. All right, so let's see. This edge, I think this edge just needs a bit more. All right, let's try now. All right, let's try now. So I don't know, I'm not getting it right now, but let me show you the one I did before, so you can see this. It's close, very close. All right, very close. So what I'm going to do next is that, so this is the colored version. So the next thing I'm going to do is to change it from normal and change it to color, not saturation, color. So the moment I change it to color, you can see that every other thing, the skin retouch I did, because I made it very minimalistic. I didn't want to retouch their skin too much, so I left this permanent mark here. So I just did some bit of skin retouching. So you can see that this layer is only colorizing the image to look like the original image, all right, without affecting the skin texture. So if this thing is on normal, look at it on normal, you can see the unedited version, and then if I change this to color, you can see how it colors the image without affecting whatsoever retouching had done before now. So this is a very quick fix in case you have an image that you're trying to edit as you already edited this as a black and white and you want to convert it to colored version. All right, you can do this real quick if you match the layers the way I just did. And of course, I'm going to whiten her teeth now, whiten her eyes, and just do some bits of, maybe brighten the skin, because this image was actually shot like a silhouette. All right, so I didn't want all these parts really overexposed, but I'm just going to do a few more edits before I send it to the client. But I just share this with you guys real quick, and I hope you learned something from it. So please drop a comment in the comment section and let me know what you like to learn, and thank you. Peace out.